facility is expected to accommodate over 4,000 students. The minister, however, used the opportunity to clear the air regarding controversies surrounding the reopening of schools amidst the coronavirus pandemic.
Schools under the supervision of the Federal Ministry of Education will not reopen on August 4th or any time soon. We will not open school for examinations or for any reason unless it is safe for our students. Even WAEC cannot determine for us what we do. You know, this social distancing is just some beautiful theory. When the cameras are there, everybody will be obeying it. When there is no camera, everybody will just be normal, especially children. One child is enough to infect everyone in the class. When they close class, they go to the dormitory. Everybody in the dormitory by tomorrow will probably be. So this is not the right time to open schools.
Education Minister Adamu therefore appealed to state governors that have already made pronouncements on the resumption of schools in their respective states to reconsider their decisions in the best interest of the nation's future leaders, saying personally he does not mind Nigeria losing a complete school year than exposing the children to danger. From the State House, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.